All right, let's take a look on how to search for award availability on Virgin Atlantic's website. So make sure you're signed in at the top, and then what you can do is you can just click reward search from whatever city you want to leave from into London Heathrow. That's one way, but they also have this reward checker tool where it'll show you the whole month calendar at a time. So if I want to leave from New York's JFK into London Heathrow, find search, and it's going to pull up a calendar view of all the awards. So let's get into October, and you can see all the award availability. We're going to click through because what we're looking for are these red tags, and which is their Sabre award space. So economy at 6,000 is the price tag we're looking for. And let's say we found the date we want. We can go find reward seat. We're going to look for November 18th. This will take us right back to that first screen we were on, New York City to London Heathrow. We'll search one way and November 18th, and we'll run the search. All right, as it loads, you can see you have a couple options with that Sabre tag and economy, 6,000 miles and $109 in taxes and fees. So just getting over the Atlantic, pretty good deal. Now let's look at our return flight, London Heathrow back to JFK. And this is where Virgin Atlantic really hikes up the prices, and those taxes and fees coming out of London Heathrow are going to be significantly higher. So when the search runs, we're looking for 6,000 miles, and then the taxes and fees are going to be in British pounds. So we could run the conversion, but just looking at it, over 200 British pounds, which is going to be over $300. And I'll show you how to do that all in US dollars when we piece the itinerary together. So let's go up, research JFK to London Heathrow. We're going to select round trip, and those two dates we picked, November 18th to November 25th, and run search. Now we're looking at a total of 12,000 Virgin Atlantic miles and over $400 in taxes and fees, which is where Virgin Atlantic gets you, and sometimes worth looking at different routing options flying out of London Heathrow, but using Virgin to get from the US to London or Europe in general is usually a great option. About $12,430 for that trip total.